up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today, as you see, I finally got the rear hubs and knuckles for the project car, for the Impreza. I did get these from, what was it, P&P Auto Sales or Auto Group, P&P Auto Group up in somewhere in PA. I'll shoot a link in the description for you, and I also put the name of them in the video when I edit it. But I did get the knuckles. One is in decent shape, not too bad, with the dust shield. The hub still looks good. This one, the hub still looks good, but the dust shield is completely trash, ripped up, everything. So what we're gonna do is get new dust shields, get new hubs. The hubs is press. You have to press the hubs. So when I get them, I'll probably just have my brother go and do them at his shop. Make it a lot easier for us and press them right in. And then all we gotta do is just clean up the knuckle, which is, you know, pretty bad shape too. And it came with the e-brake cable, which is good, and it did come with, I think it's the ABS, but this car doesn't use ABS, so we don't have to use these, so these would be taken off. And now while I was there, I also picked up this is the 2.5 RS front bumper, which they did have. This is the last one they had in stock, and I snatched it. Paid $150 for it. So this is going to give it that real old school rally look with the front bumper. I am going to look into getting the hood too. So eventually it all come together, but not bad. This will be coming off. The previous owner cracked it and zip tied it together, but yeah, not bad. Needs a nice sand, maybe a repaint, and should be good to go. So the project is moving along good. We got this in. I did order a lot more stuff for the car, which will be coming in next week. And soon as that come in, I'll make a video giving you an update on it. But the main thing we're gonna do is try to get these hubs in real quick, get these the knuckles clean, get the hubs pressed into the knuckles, and then get these on the car, and then get some calipers, brakes, rotors, all around, brand new, and some other stuff that I ordered, as I said before, is going to be coming in. That's going to make this thing look real nice. But this is going to be a short video for today. Keep watching. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, follow us on Instagram. On Instagram we are posting a lot of stuff from Subi Fest, so watch out for that, and you know, get to see a couple contents and more Subarus that we've seen and that we like. And as usual, Wrench Daily.